From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, lots of tropical downpours across the Gulf Coast, and get used to it. This is what we're going to see in the days ahead. Tropics getting a little bit more active as well, and we may get a little bit in on the tropical moisture action from that system down the southwestern Gulf. We'll talk more about that in just a bit. First off, though, take a look at the regional Doppler radars. You can see scattering of showers and thunder showers across the area. It was actually pretty quiet this afternoon after a round of showers and storms earlier today. Pretty stable atmosphere and some sunshine, but then it all depends on when those storms get going. They stabilized the atmosphere this morning, but the atmosphere getting unstable again this afternoon with some locally heavy downpours moving through Lafayette Parish as we speak. Some big downpours here. The showers beginning to end in Vermilion Parish, but pretty much right along the Mermentau here across Vermilion Parish and into Acadia Parish, still seeing some locally heavy downpours, and those downpours continue moving right over the station here at KATC. Downpours over Acadiana and much of Lafayette, and then as we get into eastern portions of the area, some of the heavier storms that did produce this cell did produce a funnel cloud by New Iberia around 3:30 this afternoon, but that is so typical of a tropical atmosphere. Didn't touch the ground, and typical when you have fast building showers and storms, and that's what we had during the course of this afternoon. And you can see more action back across Texas. This is tomorrow's energy. This is going to be sliding eastward through tomorrow here, and that's what's going to help ignite storms once again for tomorrow. Out into the tropics we go. A couple of tropical waves. This one off the African coast may develop with time. This one right here is earmarked for the Gulf of Mexico. It's not showing much right now, but does have additional moisture with it. We'll show you that moisture moving into the Gulf of Mexico coming up in just a bit. But meanwhile, today, National Hurricane Center tasking hurricane hunters to go out in the Gulf of Mexico and check out this disturbance that we knew was going to get into the Bay of Campeche today. Well, it has, and it's gotten better organized, not quite to the point where it's a tropical depression, but it's considered a potential tropical cyclone, and that's why we have changed the way we approach things in the last few years. The National Hurricane Center bringing out these potential tropical cyclone advisories so the local folks can put up tropical storm warnings and take all the actions they need for a system that's going to likely become a tropical storm later tonight or tomorrow and then make landfall within 36 hours. That's not much time to get prepared for some locally heavy rainfall that looks to be impacting the lower Rio Grande Valley. But some of the moisture with this system looks to kind of squirt up through the western Gulf and get into our mix. Bottom line, we're going to have high rain chances here locally for days to come. Here's Sunday, still plenty of deep tropical moisture. Monday and Tuesday becomes even more focused. The threat of flooding back across Texas, and then you can see the red barely moving, and here comes more moisture coming in with that tropical wave into the Gulf of Mexico. So we have an unstoppable supply of tropical moisture that's going to be feeding into the same weather pattern for days to come. So overnight tonight, things should quiet down. Few showers by morning, and then a scattering of showers and locally heavy storms again tomorrow afternoon. With any luck, it becomes more stable by the evening, and then going into Sunday, much the same, with a good scattering of tropical showers and thunder showers at any time during the day, ending during the evening. Quiet at night generally, and look at this, Monday again, a good scattering of showers and thunderstorms. So just over the next 2 to 3 days, rainfall totals will pile up. Most of us see an inch or two. Isolated spots could see 4 to 5 or 6 inches of rain, and then we look at the rainfall over the next week to 10 days, and you can double the amounts that you see here in isolated spots. We're looking at 4 to 8 inches of rain over the next week to 10 days, and then it's even worse as you get into Texas with maybe some big flooding hot spots. Yesterday was down toward the hill country. Latest model guidance now northeast Texas, but the bottom line, wet weather pattern and staying with us for a while. So overnight tonight, showers diminishing early this evening. Another warm and humid night, partly cloudy skies later on. 76 the low. Rain chance after the sun sets down to about 10%, then back up to 70% tomorrow. Upper 80s to near 90 for a high with some locally heavy downpours. We'd favor mid-morning to the mid-afternoon for tomorrow for your prime time on storms. And look at these rain chances, 70 to 80% over the next 5 days at least, with rain chances staying above normal through the end of next week and into the following weekend as well. And as we've been doing this newscast and weathercast, we just hear it here at the station. It's special effects. I don't know if it comes across on the mic, but it's been pouring outside.
Look, you don't need all that equipment in the weather lab. Mother Nature's telling us herself.
Just open the door. That's
right.
all you need.
Thank you, Robin.